Best Gaming LED Lights. Hello and welcome back to another exciting video of Godo. So, today in this video I will share a review about the best gaming LED lights that you can use for colorful and bright shades and can experience great gaming sessions. So, without wasting any time, let's start with our today's list and see what we have at number 1. All of the shared gaming LED lights in this video are great, so you can choose any of them according to your choice. And yes, if you are new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and also do not forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Now let's have a look at the first gaming LED light. Number 1. Philips Hue Bluetooth Smart Light Strip. The Philips Hue strip generates masses of brightness at 1600 lumens and is simply over 6.5 ft long. Furthermore, it's in addition expandable to up to 32 ft with Bluetooth extensions. For broad convenience, you can reduce the strips to be the actual measurement you require for space, and comes with adhesive for effortless installation. Therefore, this package is best for wrapping around partitions in your gaming room or attaching to a TV stand for a cool glow. It generates a large variety of white lighting, including warm, orangish white light, or crisp, clear brilliant whites and RGB light. After you have received the Philips Hue strip, set it up in the place you want, and you can manage the lights from your smartphone or different clear domestic assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit through Bluetooth. Alternatively, you can expand your lighting fixture setup with suitable light bulbs, light switches, and more to establish a more ample smart home setup. All of this makes it easy to switch on the lights from anywhere, set them to your mood, or allow them to sync to your music or video games. How cool it is! Now let's have a look at the next gaming LED lights, and let us see what we have. Number 2. Wise Light Strips. This LED light strip has a microphone embedded so that it can be synced with your music and offers excellent affordability along with versatility and control. If you are on the hunt for a flexible, affordable LED lighting strip, the Wise Light Strip is for you. In addition to this, you can team strips collectively and manage them through the app. The Wise Light Strip comes with adhesive and clips to get it effortlessly mounted in your preferred location. You can even shorten it to get the specific size you need. Finishing setup is a breeze. The usage of the app. It additionally comes with a Wi-Fi controller, which lets you regulate the lighting whether or not you're domestic or away via web connection, and is well suited with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, making it convenient to regulate strips by your voice. Now, let's catch out on the next one. I hope you will also like these gaming LED lights. Number 3. Godo LED Light Strips. The Godo Light Strip is made for users who are into live gaming streaming. This option will amp up the appearance and vibe of your activities, making them extra attractive to your viewers. When linked to a Godo Stream Deck, you'll have an easy-to-use central command to alternate your light setup to shape the temper of anything you are doing. You can additionally make modifications on your PC or your phone in addition to the Stream Deck. At over 6.5 ft long, even though it isn't extendable, the Godo Light Strip nonetheless provides 2000 lumens of LED lights in full RGB and white colors. It's additionally remarkably slim and can be shortened to measurement, making it ideal for becoming in the most cramped of places. So overall, it is a great deal and can provide you significant results according to your own choice. Now, let's have a look at the next one and see now which LED light is at this number. Number 4. Corsair iCue Lighting Node. Sometimes you simply prefer to deck out your gaming PC with some cool lights, and the Corsair iCue package is a stable way to do simply that. With 4 lighting strips, a Lighting Node Pro RGB controller, and the iCue software, you can freely modify and alternate the shades for every of the 40-person LED lights, giving you lots of freedom and creativity in how your PC looks. The Corsair iCue package is specific to deploy and get used. There are built-in magnets or tape for mounting, and USB 2 is used to plug proper into your motherboard after you've received it powered up. The software program comes with lots of effects, animations, and presets you can pick from to maintain matters great and easy. You can even sync the lights with Corsair gaming keyboards, PC fans, or different peripherals, permitting all lights to react to what you do and create an incredibly vibrant, dynamic environment. Now, let's see what we have at the last number. Number 5. Corsair LS100 Smart Lighting Starter Kit. If you are geared up for your screen and different PC peripherals to glow with the ambient light, appears not similar to the LS100 Smart Lighting Starter Kit. While the Corsair iCue lighting node is designed for PC cases, those searching for an extra general, beginner-friendly package can do properly select this up instead. It's easy to connect it to your desk